Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna make Mie Ayam Jamur or noodle with mushroom and chicken. For ingredients, let's check down below. Here, I have 400 grams of noodle. I have about 200 grams of straw mushroom. If you cannot find straw mushroom, you can use regular mushroom or cremini. I have 500 grams of chicken thigh that I already cut into cube or bite size. I have the aromatic oil. So if you want to know this recipe, please you can check on the Mie Gachuan videos recipe and you can check the recipe over there. I have MSG, pepper, sugar, salt, maizena starch or cornstarch, soy sauce, oyster sauce, sweet soy sauce. You can change this to dark soy sauce if you can find it, and garlic. First thing you want to do, you want to marinate the chicken. So to marinate the chicken, you will need about 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or maizena, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, a little bit of MSG, about 1/4 teaspoon, a little bit of salt, about 1 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and then 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now just mix them up. So after you mix this evenly, you want to marinate it for about half an hour or 30 minutes. So after you marinate your chicken for about 30 minutes, now you can heat up your pan. Add about 3 cloves of garlic, roughly chopped. And then a little bit of ginger. Let it cook for a little bit. After you cook for about like 30 to 45 seconds, now you can add your mushroom. Cook for about a minute. After about a minute, now you can add your chicken. Just cook the chicken until it changes color to like brownish. So after your chicken changes color to like brownish color, then you can add about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and then 2 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce. Add a little bit of water and then cook until it's thickened. I want to lower my heat to medium and I'm gonna let it simmer. Now in a mixing bowl, per 100 grams of noodle, you will need 1 tablespoon of the aromatic oil and you need half tablespoon of soy sauce. So now since I have 400 grams, you want to add 4 tablespoons. And then 2 tablespoons of the soy sauce. A little bit of MSG, a little bit of pepper. Now you add the noodle. Mix them. And now we're gonna assemble it. Add the noodle. Add the topping. Add the wonton fry. If you want to know this recipe, you can always check our previous video. It's available on the Mie Sichuan recipe. Add fried shallots. And then add green onion. So there you go, guys. This is the final result of Mie Ayam Jamur, or noodle with chicken and mushroom sauce. Give it a try. So if you like this video, give us a like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next video.